When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced methods can resolve persistent Fios box issues. We'll explore factory reset procedures, recovery modes, and prevention strategies. Factory reset is the most effective advanced troubleshooting method, resolving firmware issues in 70% of cases. This process completely wipes your box settings and reinstalls the operating system. Step 1. Locate the small reset button on your Fios box, usually found on the front or back panel. Step 2. While the box is powered on, press and hold the reset button for 15 to 20 seconds using a paperclip or similar tool. Step 3. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the complete reboot process. The box will restart multiple times during this period. After completion, you'll need to reconfigure all your settings and channel preferences. For severe software corruption, Advanced Recovery Mode offers an 80% success rate. This method accesses hidden diagnostic menus to reinstall the box's operating system completely. First, power off your Fios box completely. Next, simultaneously press and hold both the menu and OK buttons on your remote while powering the box back on. Continue holding until the recovery menu appears on screen. Prevention is more effective than troubleshooting. Monthly maintenance significantly reduces the likelihood of boot loop issues and extends your equipment's lifespan. Perform monthly power cycles by unplugging your box for 30 seconds. Ensure proper ventilation around the device to prevent overheating. Maintain stable internet connectivity and keep your router firmware updated for optimal performance. Recognize early warning signs to prevent major issues. Intermittent freezing, slow response times, and unusual boot delays often precede complete system failures. Verizon continues improving system reliability. Recent firmware updates show a 25% reduction in boot loop incidents compared to 2023. Cloud-based solutions and enhanced diagnostics are reducing dependency on traditional hardware troubleshooting.